In today's video, we'll learn how automation within Flexera 1 can be used to drive more productivity and value from your Flexera 1 setup. While Flexera's automation catalog can be used to manage a multi-cloud environment, it also can be used for traditional ITAM purposes as well. We're going to assume that Flexera 1 has already been set up in your organization, beacons are running, agents are constantly scanning the environment, and we have a good flow of data in the platform. Let's come here to automation. We can go to catalog, and you can see we have over 200 out-of-the-box automation policies ready to use. Let's look at a simple ITAM report here. And here it's filed under operational. We can click apply and create a new one here. Set the policy description, schedule, severity, the level of logging you want, which account you want the policies to be applied to, credentials, and you can click apply policy. Once you're done, you can come over here to apply policies, and you can see this is the one that we have just added in here. If you want, you can force run the report now, or you can terminate it. Right now, we've just run the policy. We also can see the log of its run as well. And if we wanted to, we can see the incidents that have been flagged up. So this one is for licenses, and we can see there are a total of 13 instances here, overused licenses. Now, based on the action and the policies enforced, you can trigger an email to somebody in your organization who will be responsible for that. Or in the instance of cloud, you can enable certain actions to be run automated depending on provisions and permissions. If you want to, you can create your own templates. You can refer to our GitHub page here and edit your own custom policies if you wanted to. Here are some of the out-of-the-box templates that we have. And you can see the details here. Lastly, if you come down to credentials, you can see you can add credentials for API-based applications that want to read the data from Flexera 1. Over here, you can just go to add credential, drop down, complete the fields here. Importantly, set an expiration date, hit validate, and very quickly you can see the API credentials here. Now that you've learned how Flexera 1's automation policies work, do feel free to try them out to see the kind of value you can get from automating certain workflows in your organization. Please feel free to contact your Flexera representative or the Flexera documentation if you need any help with setting these up. Thank you.